welcome to Claire's math class. Today we are going to go over multiplication requested by Nadia and Amreen. I promised you guys, so here you go. I know that multiplication can seem challenging at first, but after all, multiplication is closely related to addition. So if you understand addition, you can understand multiplication. To become good at multiplication, you should ask yourself, why do we multiply? That's because we don't want to add the same number over and over again. The important things here are the same number and adding over and over again. Here is an example. I will ask you to add the following numbers. What is 5 plus 5? You know it's 10. Let's add 5 one more time. Add 5 again. Then add 5 again. Okay, then let's add 5 one more time. You got annoyed enough? I know, it's annoying and tedious, isn't it? That's where multiplication comes in. It simplifies adding the same number repeatedly. We are doing multiplication because it's really annoying to add the same number over and over again. The key components here are the same number and adding over and over again. Whenever you see the same number being added repeatedly, think of multiplication. Let's go back to the previous example. We add 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So how many times have we added here? 6 times. So this is the same as 5 times 6. Let's look at another scenario. There are benches in a church, each sitting 4 people. With 3 benches, how many people are seated? Each bench has 4 people, repeating 3 times. This is 4 times 3, which equals 12. When you look at the first bench, we have 4 people. Look at the next bench, we have 4 people again. And look at the third bench. Again, we have 4 people, right? Now you see 4 is the repeating number. So the same number, which is 4 here, keeps appearing. How many times? 3 times. So this becomes 4 times 3, which is 12. If you don't know how to multiply, you can add 4 3 times, or you can add 3 4 times. Let's do one more example. You are going camping with your family. You need 5 bottles of water each day, and you're going to stay 3 days there. How many bottles do you need? Let's analyze this. On day 1, we need 5 bottles of water. On day 2, we need 5 bottles of water. On day 3, we need 5 bottles again. Now you see the pattern? What's the repeating number here? 5. It's repeating how many times? 3. So this is 5 times 3. You might think that it's easier to just add 5 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5. But what if you had to stay 9 days instead? You can add 5 9 times, like you see right here. But since you understand the multiplication concept now, you can just do 5 times 9 instead of 5 plus 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 5. So you need 45 bottles of water if you stay 9 days. Now you might ask how I came up with 45 so quickly. That will be in our next lecture about how to memorize your times tables. But what I can say now is that it makes a really big difference if you understand the concept and then memorize instead of just memorizing, which is really hard. Before I let you go, I want to emphasize one more time. From now on, whenever you see the same number being added repeatedly, think of multiplication. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you next time. Happy studying!